Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you all this portable air pump that I have here. So this is a cool little device that I ordered. So it can pump up small different things like inflatables, rafts, just anything. And it comes like this. I'll show you guys what it has. This is the little pump. Comes with a cute little bag to store it in. A little lanyard to hold it with a little loop to screw it onto the part right there. Let me see if I can do that. Ooh, small. I shouldn't have clipped my nails today. Okay. There we go. Now we have that connected up. And then we have our different nozzle tips here. And we have a charging cable here. It looks like it's going to charge from USB to USB-C. And so this is it here. We'll see there. If I hold the button down, it turns on the light. And double click turns on the fan. And wow, that's got a lot of air. I don't know if you can see. So you push it, double click to turn it on. So that's really good. So this will inflate probably a whole air mattress pretty quick. And you've got all these different little tips. So you've got this one here. That'll be a pretty wide nozzle. And then you've got this other stuff here. So it's all kind of connected together, I guess, for different, whatever you're going to do. You can connect it up with this. This can connect in there. This can connect up there. So you can just kind of fiddle faddle to make all these different shapes and whatever out of it. So, and then it goes a little slower when it's going through some bit of restriction, but that's a lot of air. So that's really cool that would fill it up like that. Let me see what other things there. So it has the air inlet up here. I wonder if you can connect it up to suck things out as well. So if I was to connect this up and trying to suck things out, I could. So you can use that to vacuum seal. So if you have, wow, that's pretty, it almost folds itself up. But yeah, so that's really cool. So yeah, so you could use it for that. So if you want to vacuum seal some, packing cubes or like those types of things that you get with those big huge Ziplocs where you put the all your clothes in it, you could probably use this for that as well too. So it has a suck and a blow. Basically hold the light for 1 or 2 seconds to turn the, or 1 or 2 seconds to hold it, to get that going, and then off, and then double click to turn it on. So if you have a swimming ring, it looks like it says it'll take about 27 seconds. If you have a double inflatable mattress, so like a big, huge air mattress, it looks like it says it'll take 160 seconds. A kayak for 2, I have one of those, that'll take 240 seconds. So that's pretty cool. And it looks like it has enough battery power to do that 4 times. So that's pretty good. So it can do 4 kayaks with just this little thing here. And then you can always charge it up again and get it to go longer. But that's it. That's how much on one charge. So that's really neat. And I'll just show you guys this instruction manual because it kind of has all the different sizes of the different nozzles of what you can connect it up to. So if you're questioning that. And then here's like some of the stuff that it comes with and all that. So really cool. I like this air pump. So it's going in my handy camping set. So I'll definitely have it ready when I go to the water or to camping with the air mattress. So really cool. I like it. Thumbs up.